How's it going, everyone? We are going to be talking about the relation between meters, liters, and grams, which are the metric units of measurement for length, volume, and mass. Their relationship to each other is very intentional and not arbitrary at all. And here's how they relate. So if we take meters, which is our unit of length, standard unit of length in the metric system. Based on that, meters squared would be a standard unit of area in the metric system, and meters cubed would be our standard unit of volume. Now, the problem with meters cubed as a standard unit of volume is that it is just way too big. To those not used to the metric system, a meter is just a little bit larger than a yard. And you can imagine a cubic yard, a cube where each side length is 1 yard, is a huge unit of volume. It's not very convenient. What is a more convenient unit of volume is 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters, or 1,000 centimeters cubed. Now, 10 centimeters is approximately 4 inches. So if you imagine a cube where each side length is 10 centimeters or 4 inches, you imagine, okay, that's a pretty reasonable unit of volume. But calling it 1,000 centimeters cubed is a pretty long thing to say, so we just call it 1 liter. That's what a liter is. It's 1,000 centimeters cubed. It's 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. Well, 1 milliliter would be 1,000th of a liter, would be 1,000th of 1,000 centimeters cubed. And our thousands cancel out. And we just have 1 milliliter equals 1 cubic centimeter. And sometimes that's called 1 cc. So now we have convenient units of volume, 1 liter and 1 milliliter, and those are related to our units of length, which is meters. Now, how that relates to mass is as follows. The mass of water at approximately 4 degrees Celsius, which is where water has its maximum density, is such that 1 milliliter of water has mass of 1 gram. That is how a gram is defined. It is the mass of 1 milliliter of water at approximately 4 degrees Celsius, where water has its maximum density. Well, that means that 1 liter of water, which is 1,000 times more than a milliliter, will have a mass of 1 kilogram. And see, that's the relationship between meters and liters and grams. These are not arbitrary independent units of length, volume, and mass, but they are related to one another based on the temperature where water has its maximum density. So, I hope you enjoyed that, and until next time.